Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. What did you do today?
I went to the park. I played on the swings and slid down the slide. Then I fed the ducks. What about you?
That sounds fun. I went to school. We learned about animals today.
Wow, what animals did you learn about?
We learned about lions, elephants, and monkeys. Lions are my favorite because they're so strong and brave.
I like monkeys. They are so funny and they can swing from trees.
Yes, they are. After school, I did my homework. We had to draw our favorite animal.
What did you draw?
I drew a lion. It was roaring and had a big mane. What did you do after the park?
After the park, I went home and had lunch. I ate a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. What did you have for lunch?
I had spaghetti and meatballs. It was really tasty.
Yum! After lunch, I played with my toys. I built a big tower with my blocks and played with my toy cars.
I love building towers. After my homework, I played with my dolls. I pretended they were having a tea party.
That sounds like fun. After playing, I watched a cartoon. It was about a superhero saving the day.
I like superheroes too. My favorite is Spider-Man because he can climb walls and swing on webs.
My favorite is Wonder Woman. She's so strong and helps people.
Do you want to go to the park together tomorrow?
Yes, I'd love to. We can play on the swings and build sandcastles.
Great! Maybe we can also bring a ball and play catch.
That sounds like a plan. I'll bring my ball.
And I'll bring some snacks. How about we meet at 10 in the morning?
Perfect. I'll see you tomorrow at the park.
See you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye-bye.